Troubleshooting. Load meter not responding. Load meter not responding. This is the circuit diagram. With this circuit, we can get the generator field excitation and main generator induced EMF connected to traction motors through BKT, reverser and power contactors. Load meter not responding. This may be due to following reasons. Generator field contactor not closing, GFC, S1, S21, S31, power contactors not closing. Excitation cards slack or defective. Generator field contactors not closing. Control air pressure may be less than 5 kg per centimeter square. Adjust the control air pressure to 5 kg per centimeter square. GF switch number 1 and number 2 may be defect or wire cutout. Short the GF switches 30C, 30cc, 30cc 6. Generator field contactor not closing. Control air pressure may be less than 5 kg per centimeter square. Adjust the control air pressure to 5 kg per centimeter square. GF switch number 1 or number 2 may be defect or wire cut. Short the GF switches 30C, 30cc, 30cc 6. BKT or BKT2 may not be thrown properly or its interlock may be defective. Operate BKT manually with L rod and check the interlocks. ECS may be in idle or defective switch. Keep ECS in run. GR may be tripped or defective. Reset the GR. CK1, CK2 welded or bridge interlocks may be defective. Open the contactor tips with wooden wedge. Clean the contactor tips and interlocks. GF contactor may be defective. Then pack the same manually with wooden wedge. Note: if BKT1 or 2 operating towards motoring properly, even then GFC not closing, pack GFC and work onwards. Before packing GFC, ensure that CK1 and CK2 must be in de-energized condition, that is open. S1, S2, S21 and S31 power contactors not closing. Reversed handle not thrown properly or its interlocks may be defective. Ensure RH in required direction. Reverser 1 and 2 may not be thrown properly or its interlocks may be defective. Operate manually with L rod. BKT1 or BKT2 interlocks may be defect. Operate BKT manually with L rod and check the interlocks. ECS may be idle. Keep the ECS in run. P1 power contactor may be welded or its interlock may be defect. Open the contactor with wooden wedge. Check the interlocks. Excitation cords slack. All excitation cords press for proper fitment. Check the exciter generator physical condition for smoke and sparks. Load meter not responding after picking up second transition. P32 power contactor interlock may be defective. Check the interlocks. Load meter not responding during motoring after working dynamic brake. BKT1 or BKT2 may not thrown properly towards motoring. Operate BKTS manually with L rod and check the interlocks. Load meter not responding in one direction. Working control stand reverser handle defective. Ensure RH in required direction. Non-working control stand with or without reverser handle kept in one direction. Keep RH in neutral. Reversal 1 and 2 may not thrown properly on one direction. Ensure both reverser in one direction. Thank you.